Hello, I'm Ray and this is my vegetable garden, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Today it's my turn to cut the grass. So with the cuttings from the grass, I'm going to make some compost and I'm going to make it fast. So let me show you. Here we have a bag of grass clippings. These are cut from the path and they're already feeling quite warm. So we're going to add these into the wheelbarrow. There we go. And already it's really warm. So we're just going to add a few things. So I've just got some old compost in pots. So we're just going to scatter that in. We've just got some old broccoli plants. We're just going to chuck all that in. Chuck it all in. Give it a mix. We've also got some chard. It went faulty. We're just going to chuck those leaves in. And give it a mix. We've also got some old broccoli leaves. We're just going to chuck all that in. All in the mix. There we go. So this is day one. And it's all being we're just going to let this heat build up inside, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what's done. So day two, I've turned the grass over and I've added a handful of soil from the ground and a couple of handfuls of compost from trays. So we'll mix this all in, and it's really warm. So we're going to give that a good mix and we will come back. So this is day four, and we've just come to give it a mix, and it's really warm. So that's day four. So we've got compost from the pots, we've got a few broccoli leaves, we've got some coffee grounds, and now this is 7 days. So we're just going to spice it up a bit. We're going to add some sugary fizzy juice. We're going to add that to the mix. And that will start the bacteria going. So we're just going to give that a mix. And as you can see, so this is 7 days. keep that going a bit longer. So this is day 9, and we keep turning, and we're turning it around and mixing it all in. We also added a watering can full of treacle for molasses, and we've added that to the compost too. So we're on day 11, and we're still turning it every 2 days, and as we can see now, it's really breaking down. And the piles reduced quite a bit. Hello, so we're now day 14 and it's looking pretty good. And we're going to plant some cucumbers. So let's have a go. So we've got our cucumber seeds, and we've got our small pots. We're going to take our compost and we're going to add it into our pots. So that's our 3 pots. One, two, three. We're just going to make a small hole in each of the pots. And we've got our cucumber seeds. And these are apple cucumber. So we're just going to put 1 seed in each of the pots. And then we're going to cover them up. And we're going to put them out in the polytunnel with the water. So let's check on these in a week's time. And see the progress. So all done. Cucumber seeds planted. So here is our 3 apple cucumbers, and we're just giving them a water. So 12 days later, we've got some cucumbers. So they're all going good. So these are going to go in the polytunnel to grow on. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, leave me a comment, that'd be wonderful. I return all your comments and look forward to receiving some. So, looking forward to eating some apple cucumbers in the near future. So thank you very much. Cheers.